Magpo-forex ka and ang choice mong broker is IUX, and sa video na to ituturo ko kung paano po mag-register or mag-sign up ng account dito sa platform na ito. Let's do it! Hi, my name is John I make videos about crypto, forex, AI, gaming at lahat halos na nasa fintech. Ginagawa po natin ng content. And for this video, ituturo po sa inyo kung paano mag-sign up ng account or mag-register ng account dito sa IUX. Okay, so provided dyan sa ating links description, itong ating IUX registration link. So first question is about your country of residence. Now as you can see, meron tayong selected countries na pwedeng piliin dito sa listahang ito. And assuming na you're here because you're a Filipino and you wanna try IUX, let's choose Philippines. And of course, syempre piliin nyo pa rin yung bansa na kung nasan man kayo at available po dito sa choices. Then don't forget to tick on the you agree to the IUX terms and policies. Tapos pinutin itong continue. Lagay po natin yung ating email address. In my case, that's officialjohnfdong@gmail.com. Then click on continue. Then yan, magbibigay po ng verification code doon sa email na ginamit ninyo. And ganito itsura po niyan once na ma-receive ninyo sa inyong mga emails. Once na may lagay na natin yung verification code, mag-set tayo ng password. It must be 8 to 32 characters. Tapos meron dapat one numeric digit. Dapat may numbers po yan. Tapos must contain English letter and must contain at least one uppercase and one lowercase na letter dyan sa inyong password. So make sure din na i-save nyo yung password na yan sa notebook para hindi po ma-hack or hindi po ma-compromise. Let's say magkaroon man ng problema yung inyong device. Ayan, since I meet all the requirements para sa password, I can now go and click on the submit button. So this means na meron na po tayong account. So I just have to choose on dito sa ating icons. Alright. Pinutin natin itong may necktie. Tapos username. Let's say John Fleer. Okay, kailangan to may number. So gawin natin 2025. Get started. Just like other brokers, kailangan po na i-verify natin yung account natin or mag-undergo po tayo ng KYC. Pindutin lang po natin itong verify. Then, kailangan natin mag-undergo dito sa risk profile where we answer the questions about trading to help collect and analyze our trading data. Ito lang naman is yung para pinaka-assessment kung talaga bang nagte-trade kayo o hindi. Para alam ng IUX kung sino yung kanilang customer. So, pinutin natin ito. Ayan. Kailangan na natin pinutin itong get started. Tapos, tatanungin niya kung anong klaseng investor ka. So ito, mayroong short term, may long term, may use of trading robots, hindi ka sure kung anong klaseng investor type ka, and kung wala kang investment experience. Now, I suggest, no, bago nyo fill upan ang mga ito, mag-ask muna kayo doon sa IB po na nagpaso or nag-refer sa inyo. In my case, kung talagang zero knowledge ka, I'll advise you guys na manood muna or mag-participate dun sa mga free webinars na available doon sa mga partner communities natin. Now, kapag halimbawa man na meron kang knowledge, let's say, isa kang short-term investor, pinutin nyo short-term investor. Then, meron pong button sa may bottom right, natakpan na namuha natin, pinutin nyo po yan. Okay? And then, tatanungin niya kung ano yung types of investment instruments that may experience na po kayo. Let's say ako, nagtatrade tayo ng crypto, nagtatrade din tayo nitong mga bonds, currencies, stocks. So kung ano man yung nag-apply sa inyo, pinutin nyo po yan. Then click on next. Then, please tell us about your investment experience. So kung gaano na ba kataas or gaano na kalawak yung assets na nahawakan mo, yung investment mo dyan sa mga napili mo. So ayan, meron choices. So $1 to $1,000, 1K to 3K, over 3K, no investment at the time, and only demo trading. So sa stocks or ETFs, lagay natin kung ano man yung experience natin. So in my case, ito, crypto over 3K. Next natin. So, have you ever traded using leverage? Yes, na-try na natin yan doon sa crypto. However, be honest with yourself. So, hindi pa kayo knowledgeable about leverage trading, pwede nyo naman panoorin yan. Available yung mga resources sa internet. So, how often you faced a margin call due to leverage? So, ito yung tatawagan ka. Usually kasi email to. Parang may mag-email sa futures, pero sa Forex, I don't know kung natawagan na ba kayo or hindi. So, lagay nyo dito kung natawagan na ba kayo. In my case, I have been never experienced that one, no? So, which of the following applies to you? So, meron ba kayong tinapos na course related to finance? Meron ba kayong more than 1 year of experience sa pagtitrade? Nagtatrabaho ba kayo sa finance industry? Or nag-graduate kayo sa isang financial institution? or worse, wala talaga kayong financial knowledge. I call this worse because kapag ka itong pinili ninyo, definitely, possible, no? Baka hindi po i-accept ni IUX yung inyong registration. So, I assume talaga guys na kaya ka ng Forex kasi interesado ka and at the same time, meron ka ng prior knowledge or somehow nakapag-experience ka na at least yung demo trading. So in this case, no, ako meron naman ako more than 1 year experience in trading. So I'll click on that option. Tapos pwede ko rin i-check yung I work in the finance industry if talagang nagtatrabaho ako sa finance industry. However, di ko siguro matatawag na finance industry yung Web3 or crypto project na I'm currently working with. That's why I have to leave it unchecked. So dito na tayo sa I have more than 1 year. Then click on next. Tapos, last question probably is kung ano daw ba acceptable loss natin per trade. So, in my case, risk capital ko kasi 20 to 25%. So, more than 15% of my capital. Then, submit. Okay, so ito na. Tapos na natin yung risk profile part, which is yung step 1. Yan, i-zoomin natin. Now, ito ang dapat na matapos natin, no, in order for us to successfully register and sign up dito sa IUX. That's the proof of identity. So this is where you verify your identity by providing the required information such as ID cards and a facial scan. So maganda kung meron kayong phone na hawak as you do this step. Kasi mas maganda rin na maliwanag din yung lugar. Kasi nga magkakaroon na facial scan and i-ready nyo po yung mga government issues ninyo na IDs kagaya ng passport, driver's license at kung ano man yung available dito. So para makita natin, pinag natin yung proof of identity. Now here, identity verification guide. So this process is designed to verify your identity and protect you from identity theft. So here, we'll use a valid government issued document. You find a well-lit surface, just like what I've said kanina, and you will enter personal information. So, pindutin natin itong automatic verification since ito yung kanilang recommended. So, mag-ask naman ito about dito sa kung ano man yung kailangan natin. Now, gagamitin natin is powered by Jumio. Pindutin na natin itong I consent to Jumio collecting, processing, and sharing my personal information, which may include biometric data as set to their privacy notice. So, here you have an option to start gamit ang inyong PC or kung naman laptop, but I strongly suggest gamitin nyo yung mobile phone ninyo. So here, pwede nyo i-scan yung QR code gamit ang inyong mga device. If you're using iPhone, just open camera, scan yan. If you're using an Android, pwede nyo pong i-scan yan if medyo advanced yung camera, or you can download a QR code scanner available sa Google Play. Alright, pwede nyo rin naman i-send via email kung hindi nyo po may-scan yung QR code provided. Now, meron pong mga steps doon, ipapakita ko na lang dito, so I'll click on start. So yan, again, nasa Philippines tayo as we signed up kanina. Tapos yung ID cards or ID types na available dito includes identity card, yung Philippine National ID, pwede yan, driver's license, front po ng driver's license lang kailangan, and then passport. So yung photo page po ng ating pasaporte. So in my case, let's say I'm gonna be using my driver's license. I just have to click on driver's license. So dito kasi guys, pag gumamit kayo dun sa desktop version or dito sa ating PC, hihingin niya yung permission for us to share camera permissions. Now, I assume hindi naman lahat ng computer ay meron webcam, or kung may webcam man, hindi ganun kalinaw, which is why I don't really recommend na gamitin ang inyong desktop. So, mas maganda kung mobile version na lang po kayo as you do this step. Once done, dyan sa step 2, makikita nyo po na in progress na yung inyong verification for the proof of identity, and you just have to see na kung successful ba ito o hindi. Makikita nyo po yan, meron pong email na isisend ng IUX if verification successful po dyan sa inyong IUX accounts. And assuming na meron ka ng IUX account, I strongly recommend na umattend po kayo dito sa free webinar ng partner community natin, which is ang Top Trader Philippines in partnership with Lazy Fib, powered by IUX. So, i-free kayo ng MWF Monday, Wednesday, Fridays. Definitely, this is a must-attend webinar dahil again, wala po kailangang ilabas. And at the same time, meron po tayong mga free trading signals. Also, consider following yung ating TikTok kasi dito po tayo regularly nag-upload ng updates about sa ating journey sa crypto and sa Forex. And pretty much that's it. If meron kayong mga questions or requests regarding dito sa topic natin in regards sa paggawa ng IUX account, please do leave it down there in the comment section below. And if you find this video helpful, hit that thumbs up, And kung gusto nyo pa makapanood ng mga ganito klase ng videos, huwag kalimutan na mag-subscribe and hit yung ating notification bell para updated kayo once mag-release tayo ng mga videos regarding crypto, gaming, AI, and sa Forex. And follow nyo na rin ako sa aking mga social media accounts at Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, X, and YouTube at John F. Dong. And again sa TikTok at JF Dong. Yun lamang, maraming salamat po and see you sa mga next uploads natin dito sa ating channel.
Uy, nandiyan ka pa pala. Kung gusto mo pa manood ng mga videos natin dito sa ating channel, pwede nyo pong bisitahin yung ating mga playlists. Nandyan po lahat yan, naka-ready na po para po iisang topic lang, hindi po ay maligaw-ligaw dito sa ating YouTube channel. O siya, kita-kits tayo sa mga videos natin and see you soon sa ating mga videos.